मैग्नीशियम विच आर रिएक्ट विथ एसिड. अभी देखो मैग्नीशियम मेटल है क्या नॉन मेटल? मेटल. एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ मैग्नीशियम 12. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन 2a2. So magnesium having 2 unpaired electron in their outermost shell. So valency of magnesium is 2. See here, if metal which are react with acid to form a salt and byproduct is a hydrogen gas. See here, magnesium carries 2 positive charges after donating. So to form a MgCl2 salt and byproduct is a hydrogen gas. So balance Mg2HCl, MgCl2 byproduct is hydrogen gas. When zinc also react with hydrochloric acid to form a zinc chloride and byproduct is hydrogen gas. If there is acid plus metal to form a salt and byproduct is hydrogen gas. So hydrogen gas which is evolved from this reaction. If metal and acid they are react with each other. See here, zinc and sulfuric acid also form zinc sulfate ZnSO4. What is the byproduct? H2 hydrogen gas is there. See here, calcium oxide which are react with hydrochloric acid. Calcium oxide, it is a metal oxide. Calcium, atomic number of calcium is 20. Electronic configuration 2 8 8 2. Valence of calcium is 2. See here, if metal which are combined with oxygen to form a metal oxide, and metal oxide it is a basic in nature. See here, because they form a base. Basic. What is this? This is the acid. If acid react with base to form a salt and water, that reaction is nothing but the neutralization reaction. Calcium oxide, it is a metallic oxide. Metallic oxide is the basic in nature, which are reacted with hydrochloric acid. See here, what is the reaction? Water molecule. And this is CaCl2. How many hydrogen is there? 2. Chlorine 2. CaCl2. Byproduct is water molecule. H2O. Calcium chloride and water molecule. Carbon dioxide, it is a non-metallic oxide. Non-metallic oxide. Non-metallic oxide is acidic in nature. See here. If carbon dioxide gas which are reacted with H2O to form a acid, that is the carbonic acid. After burning of fossil fuel, it emitted harmful and hazardous gases in the atmosphere. For example, carbon dioxide gas which is released in the atmosphere, it can easily combine with this humidity. Percentage of water molecule in the atmosphere is called humidity. They can easily react to each other to form a carbonic acid. H2CO3 is a carbonic acid. See here, hydrochloric acid which are react with sodium hydroxide. Acid react with base to form a salt and water. That reaction is nothing but the neutralization reaction. H plus Cl minus, Na plus OH minus. So Cl which are attracted toward the sodium to form a NaCl, sodium chloride. It is a salt. It is an ionic compound. Byproduct H2O. Okay. See here, nitric acid which are react with potassium hydroxide. Acid react with base. What will happen? To form a potassium nitrate and byproduct is water molecule. Okay. See here, carbon dioxide react with potassium hydroxide. Non-metallic oxide, acidic in nature, react with base K2CO3. K2CO3. See here, how many potassium is there? 2. Oxygen 2. Hydrogen 2. K2CO3. CO2 plus O. CO3. Okay. Plus H2O. 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen. 1 oxygen which are combined with this CO2 molecule to form a CO3. K2CO3 byproduct H2O. Again, carbon dioxide react with sodium hydroxide. Non-metallic oxide are acidic in nature, which are react with base, strong base. We can call it the caustic soda also. Sodium hydroxide. What is the product? Na2CO3 plus H2O. Aluminium which are react with water molecule. What will happen? To form a oxide. Al2O3 plus 3H2 hydrogen gas. Yes, here. Magnesium react with hydrochloric acid to form a MgCl2. Byproduct is hydrogen gas. Zinc react with hydrochloric acid to form a zinc chloride. Byproduct H2. Zinc react with sulfuric acid to form a zinc sulfate H2. CaO, calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is, what is this? Metallic oxide. Metallic oxide are basic in nature, base. And what is this? This is the acid. If base and acid, they are react to each other to form a salt and water. That reaction is nothing but the neutralization reaction. CO2, it is a non-metallic oxide, and non-metallic oxide are acidic in nature. This acid react with, what is this? This is H2O, water. Okay, H2O combined with this CO2 to form a H2CO3. You can put as a combination reaction also. See. Hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide to form a sodium chloride and byproduct is water. This is also neutralization reaction. Nitric acid KOH, acid plus base, KNO3 plus H2O, CO2 plus 2 KOH, K2CO3 plus H2O, CO2 plus 2 NaOH. What will happen? Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, byproduct is water molecule. If aluminum which are react with, see here, aluminum does not react with cold water and hot water. This aluminum which are react with only steam, so they form a aluminum oxide and hydrogen. Sodium, potassium, these two metals are highly reactive. They can easily react with cold water. Calcium react with hot water. Aluminum, iron and zinc, these three metals they can react only with the steam. Okay, thank you.